Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. One of my subscribers that been rocking with my channel left a comment this morning asking about the ATLAST Mastercard. What do I think about it? Now, out the gate, I will have to say, if you have a horrible credit score today in 2026, if you have collections, charge-off, late payments, 10, 15 inquiries reporting on your credit report, applying for this credit card will not affect you. You won't have to provide any pay stubs, nothing at all. All you have to do is go on the website, which I will leave in the bottom of the description, put your phone number, hit the link, fill out the application. They will connect to your banking account. Hopefully everybody got a bank account in 2026, and they'll base your approval off of that. They approve 9 out of 10 people, so you won't have any kind of problem. Now, they're giving back 5% cash back on subscriptions. You paying your subscriptions every month, HBO, Netflix, Peacock, Hulu, you're getting 5% cash backs. You're getting great rewards for gas and groceries. Now, the good thing about it too as well, you're getting 0 APR, people. Now, what card is giving you out 0 APR? Yes, you might get the 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, but you get absolute 0 APR when you apply for this card, which is really good. That's not going to affect your credit report, which is really good. Now, there's always a pros and cons with these cards. We all know that. Now, the downside, I will have to say with this credit card, they charge members $8.99 a month to have this card. So if this is not for you, maybe you don't apply for it. But if you're struggling, you're getting denials from a lot of different credit cards, this is a company, this is a card which they use the MasterCard logo that will approve 9 out of 10 people with no absolutely credit check, which should be a W in everybody's book, right? So again, all you have to do, put your phone number, hit that link, fill it out, move forward, connect your bank account. You shouldn't have no issues. Now, again, for everybody that's working on their personal credit and a business credit, the personal ebook is definitely back on the way very soon, but I'm giving away the business guide to building wealth step by step. Let's go over to that real quick. We on my website right here, where if you have any questions, you want to drop me a line, all you will do is scroll right to the bottom and there'll be an email. You can email me, which will be really easy, and give me a couple hours and I will get right back to you. And it's right here at the bottom of the page. Like I said, give me a little time. I got a lot of things going on and I'll get right back to you and I'll answer your question. Let's go over to the store where I'm going to be giving away that free ebook. Now, hit the store section. Once you hit the store section, the ebook will pop right up. Excuse me. Once it pop up right there, the business guide to building wealth step by step, download it for absolutely free. I want to see everybody win in 2026. Again, if you want to move forward and start growing on the personal and the business side, everything starts with you. We got to stop making excuses when it comes to winning. If you want to lock in, you want to get in depth, you could go on my website, book a call with me, and we could sit down and we could go through your personal credit and your business credit, and I can help you step by step. I have this ebook on the website on the business side for those that's more advanced. Again, a lot of people is looking for different primaries they can add to start increasing your credit score on the business side, to your Experian business, Equifax business, and your Dun & Bradstreet. A lot of times people are getting the LLC's EIN number and they think it stops there. No, people, you actually got to build that business side just like you build your personal side. So I'm giving you all that information. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top, but it starts with you. Change your mindset. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.